How to fix unable to install Valorant in 2026. So in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can fix the error which says unable to install Valorant. So in order to do that, you have to search for CMD and run CMD as an administrator. After opening CMD, there are two harmless codes which we need to enter. Basically, let me clear first. What this will do is delete the Vanguard services, and it is totally harmless, so it won't affect your PC or anything. Both of the codes are in small letters. Make sure to write them in small letters, not capital letters. So the first code would be this sc delete vgc. You have to write this first code and run them and hit enter. Once you do this, now you have to type this second code, which would be sc delete vgk, and you have to run this as well. Once you run these both codes individually, you have to close CMD and you have to restart your PC. And once you restart your PC, your problem should be solved and Valorant should be installed without any problems. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. So yes, this was it for today's video. I hope you learned something, and if you truly did, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.